much of last week. If I talk about last week collections of the video which I've seen, friends, crop top collections, mirror work lehengas and many more varieties I've showed you, and still I have many more collections in this counter if I talk about bridal collections. So here also very pretty of this Banarasi based, such a beautiful Georges based, and this dupatta which is net based finishing. You may thinking about today also I'm going to show you something from lehenga, right? What, cameraman? Is it right? I'm going to show you. No, I'm not going to show from lehengas. I'm going to take to the Georgette based chudidar collections. So hi friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today I'm at the shop. Today I'm going to directly taking to the chudidar section and dupatta section. I started from lehenga. You thought that today also I'm going to show you like everything I want to show you, right? I want to show you saris, I want to show you dupattas, functional wear, crop top. So today I'm going to show you the only functional wear and party wear Georgette based chudidar collections, and Georgette is very fast moving, one of in our south. If I talk about the states like Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana, and even in Kerala also a lot many more varieties. If I talk, these collections are very demanded and fast moving. If you want to resellers, if you are a boutique retailer, if you want only the Georgette based collections, I'm going to show you the only Georgette based chudidar material only from the collections of these beautiful varieties. So keep watching this video, subscribe the channel. Easily you can contact our online team, offline team, and quickly you can make your customers happy. I have a lot many more varieties from the boutique, even for the regular wear, office wear, functional wear, casual varieties, n number of collections. These are all the manufacturers which are production, all the entire world, while the collections are getting purchasing from the resellers, and Kesaria Textile Manufacturers are supporting the resellers, dealers, wholesalers, business, women entrepreneurs. If you want to start a business, you can directly contact stable manufacturers who are supporting you by the online team, with the offline team, video calling, purchase. What about the quality and quantity? No need to worry about quality and quantity. You will just, if you once visit, you will come to know the quality and quantity. So let's have a samples of these collections. First pattern, very pretty and very beautiful collections of the bottle green, very heavy jerkin work with the semi-stitched neck pattern over here. The bottle green, and the top and bottom will be the very plain with the jerry, and I'll show you the dupatta, which is very pretty dupatta. In this you have a very beautiful the jerkin work and the jerry work and the curving design style which has been done here. And if I talk about the very beautiful pretty purple color combination with the golden bold stone work, the beautiful fox Georgette is the code. If I'm saying the code, you can take a screenshot, otherwise you can easily contact by saying the code, or online team you can purchase. Every Georgette chudidar collections are very fast moving, very pretty. The copper finishing on the copper design, these are all very beautiful, lovely varieties. I can tell you the only collections are these collections are very unique, and the lemon yellow color with the only silver finishing with the silver stone, with a piping work of the white thread work, mild and very stylish with the round neck pattern. This also you can purchase. The mountain cut pattern with the lace which has been highlighted over here. These are all new unique latest designs of the collections. This is also one of the pattern over here. The silver stone finishing. This is a beautiful variety. And this also you have a lovely collections of this pattern. And if I talk about every individual color, you have a 6 color, 7 color, 5 color. Depend on design, depend on fabric, depend on the quality, and depend on quantity. The price differs. So you have to choose in your location how the people are varieties wearing the collections, because metro cities they have a corporate sector, IT sector people, the culture is different. If we talk about the district level, the village level, there is a different taste of people. So based on that you have to select. And one more pretty color, one of the peacock color I can say. So very beautiful, the necklace base, the pattern which is highlighted. If you are not wearing any ornaments, the dress, I am not wearing any ornaments, the dress itself, it covers how the jewelry and the ornaments will look the same pattern. The neck pattern has been given here, very beautiful. This is also Fox Georgette wagon collections is given here, and in this you have a lovely beautiful very pretty of this also. So this is a jerry copper finishing with a beautiful pattern of this color. In this also you have a lovely color charts, and every pattern you have a unique designs and unique color. If I talk about the traditional base for gifting, for the birthdays, for the events, you have to in the family also you want to share and you want to give. This is also Fox Georgette Mast Maja, and the silver and the golden stone which has been highlighted, baby pinkish thread work has been highlighted, and the copper jerry copper thread work has been highlighted. This is also very lovely collections. All this copper jerry with the traditional, casual, fast, stylish, all these varieties, and if the soft Georgette also have the beige color combination with the thread work, with the baby pinkish color, with the dark pink, with the silver stone finishing. This is also one of the pattern. In this also you have a lovely color combination. So this is a highlighted with the floral thread work. Even we have a stone work, thread work, multi work. All these exclusive varieties you can purchase. See, these are all lovely colors, and every pattern you can see here. There are every bunch you can see. If I take about this bunch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. Even we have every color options we do have, and even we do have a dupatta section also. Even if I talk about dupatta section, we have even the soft one, the soft fabric, Georgette fabric, mixed fabric, the printed varieties, even the cotton, and the cotton is very demanded based on the party wear, functional wear. Some women likes to wear unique collections which is highlighted in the dupattas. I have some samples over here, very beautiful, very pretty. If you want the digital print, the handwork pattern, the net base. If you want the digital print with the malmal cotton with the highlighted of the lace border, the multi-color, multi-mirror work. If you want the jerry base, jerry border, how the sarees come with the batik print, the highlighted with the matte golden color. Only net base with the chemki with the lace highlighted. These are all colors, and I want a stylish only highlighted with the mirror work, and I want only the thread work with the beautiful collections. Even I have a functional with highlighted traditional, casual and stylish Rani color dupattas. Many more printed plain, even the jerry based. These are all highlighted colors. Only dupatta counter if you want to see. This is the dupatta counter I can say over here. So in even dupattas also, when you are in a business, when you are doing chudidars or the running material bottom varieties, you should also add some bottom varieties and exclusively with the collections of these dupattas. Nowadays everyone want the different top, different kurta, different bottom, all these exclusive varieties. So today, as I said, I'm in the shop. You have many more varieties. So I'm end up in this collections of this video of the Georgette collections of chudidar and as well as dupattas. So friends, let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. Keep supporting me, subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon, just click it. Thanks for watching, and everyone is sharing your feedbacks, and some people has asked me, show me ma'am dress wear, the khadi sarees, and next video I'll come up with meet you with many more party wear dresses. So until then, don't forget to support me, and don't forget to let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. Next video we'll meet up. Until then, keep supporting, take care, bye bye.